We are night fishing, and Adam found a dock with a light where the fish are going crazy. We've caught over 30 trout. Look, he just caught one. And I figured I'd make a good video out of it. He caught him a little. There's a lot of sand trout and regular trout, but dude, it's on fire. Watch this. Watch this. I just threw it in, right? Watch. Let him. Oh shit! You saw that? That was like a bass. So I'm throwing this deadly Dudley salt and pepper. Yeah, let him go. Yeah, let him go. If we don't get no keeper size, we just keep playing with them. So yeah, it is on fire. Watch. They're dumping it, and they're aggressive. I can see the trout in the water right over there. Look at this. They're so aggressive. See, it doesn't matter what we throw, really. We're catching them right now. See? I don't know if they're feeding or are they mating or what. One thing I don't like about these sun trout is they're slimy as hell. So yeah, I haven't been videoed. Look at that, it tore my lure up. I haven't videoed in a while, so sorry about that, guys. I had to get a new GoPro, and I got the 11 now. Watch this. Ooh. He took that. Oh, he spit it out too. He spit it out. Watch this. As easy as it was to catch that one, watch this. Double hookup. Oh! Oh, I thought we'd have a double hookup for sure. So, yeah, Adam found this little spot. And we've been killing it. There's even fish. Oh! That felt good and I let it go. Dude. I can see the trout moving around over there. Right over there. Watch this. Instant hit. Maybe not. Oh, he's thumping it. Oh, oh, he didn't take it. They're all over the place. I see them moving. I see you over there. Come on. Anyhow, we got the GoPro 11 now, and I like it so far. Just sucks because I gotta buy batteries again. Let's see. So we've caught over 30 freaking trout in here. Between sand trout, look at them. Adam got him another one. Looks like a good size too. Dinker, but fun. We have not left this area because our original plan was to fish the Jesus. Our original plan was to see. It don't even matter that Adam goes over the bite zone. Our original plan was to go to the bridge and fish the causeway. And that didn't go so well. It was too choppy. It was getting windy, and we were giving up. So we came in and found these docks, and it's been money ever since. We've been on them for about an hour and a half. Costa Azul Fishing was with us, but he just left. He tapped out. He was fishing the causeway. I think he caught him a 19-inch trout. But I mean, look, hey, that's fine. I'm not gonna stay here all day for one fish. If I'm catching a bunch of dinkers, I'm gonna keep catching them dinkers.
Hey guys, so quick recap.
Yeah,
Adam is my son's
look at
son,
that.
and
There's more right there.
he goes with me fishing. He just become my right hand man fishing, and he's been with me to the pack rentals. Anyway, last week he got injured. Check this out. He got injured, cut his hand pretty bad. He ended up with about 10 stitches or so. It looked worse than what it looks on the picture. This is after the fact, after he bled all over the place. He bled all over me. He had me worried. Um, I do carry a medical kit, and I do advise you carry some kind of first aid kit because you just never know what happens on the water. Especially on the water, where you can't just hop up and take off to the nearest hospital or whatnot. So, quick recap on that. He was gutting a redfish that he caught, and he didn't use his dominant hand. And long story short, he ended up slicing his dominant hand open, and he ended up with 10 stitches. So I'm just glad to have him back with me, and I'm glad he didn't tap out. Yeah, if any of you speak to me or know me, you know that he
Dang,
tapped out on me once
wasn't
before when
paying
he
attention.
overheated on the water, and there was a bunch of other factors. He stayed up late. He overheated on the water. He didn't drink any fluids, and he was hurting. And he didn't go fishing with me for probably, hell, I want to say about a year. But I'm glad that he hung in there. Uh, Proud of him. He just graduated, and we about to put him to work so he could go make his money and his
Got you.
impression on the world. So, wishing him the
I
best,
like the way they bite like bass.
and kudos to the girlfriend too. She be hooking it up with watermelon and all kinds of snacks. So you better keep her around, Adam. Anyway, back to the video.
Gotta fix my lure. My lure's all jacked up already. This one. This one's actually a glow in the dark. So let's see how this one does. I think this one's a saltwater assassin or something like that. Okay, let's see if they like this one. Here comes a boat. What the hell, man? Nobody. Hey, don't tell me they only want the Dudley. Damn it, boy. They want the Dudley.
Because I've only gotten hit with Deadly's Croak.
Yeah, that might be what it is. Damn. Yeah, you might be right. Look at that. They did not hit the saltwater assassins. Okay. All right. Give them what they want. That's what they... Oh, that might be a keeper. Mm.
Not over there, dude, to your left. Hey.
Relax. Don't do it. We won't come to it.
You gotta be
Alright, we're putting the salt and pepper. Push it. We're putting the salt and pepper. Bay Chavoy all day. What's this? No gimmicks. Deadly Dudley. Throw that bad boy in. Look at that. Instant. First cast. Give them what they want. Give them the Dudley. Oh, he spit it out, but we know it works, right? Let's try again. Let me undo this crap. Is it getting what? Nuh-uh. Oh, instant hit, dude. And he let it go. Instant hit. As soon as I hit the water, he hit it. What's this? Give them what they want. Give them the dudley. That boat's hauling ass. Come on, where you at? That one looks like it's coming this way. I hope not. You're gonna disturb our fish session. Nah. Yep. Oh. Oh man. No, he went the other way. Good. Watch this, right by the instant hit. Oh. Making him surf. Boat flip right here, watch. We don't need no nets over here. Boat flip. Boat flip. Sand trout. Stop, dude. Get out of here. Alright. Oh, there's one right there. I see one. If I could get my stupid line to cooperate. There we go. There we go. Look, right there. Damn it. Dude. Why are you doing that to me? Right there. Oh, something's right on the edge. Look at that. There, oh, there's another one. Stay in there. Watch this. Right by the dock. And we're gonna get one. Nope, maybe not. There's some over here on the side too. I see them. Let's see. See if they want to play. They're feeding aggressive, so full moon, it worked in our favor this time. Most times when we come out, they've been eating all night, and we don't get to catch nothing. So, oh, there goes one. I'm gonna reel them in super fast. Boat flip, boat flip. Get in here. Boat flip. Sand trout. Slimy sand trout, man. So, I hear that a lot of people like to eat sand trout, and there's no doesn't matter what size they are here. Let me know if y'all like sand trout. I ain't never tried it. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. I see one. I see one. I see you. I see you right by the dock. What's this? Right by the dock. Oh! Ah! He let go. He let go. Right there, there's a ladder at the dock. They're heavy right there too. Watch, right by that ladder. Maybe not. Usually I get hit by that ladder. See, animals thrown by there. They are feeding aggressively. Throw it again. Ooh, isn't that opening? No? Oh, he hit, but he didn't hit enough. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I got you. Spit it out. Oh shit, my bad. Oh, there you go.
Okay, you good.
Alright, I just had one hit too. Dude, they're all over the place. Just wish they weren't so slimy. Oh, oh, I just got hit. I got dumped. I got dumped. Right by that ladder. Watch right there.
A bunch of their scales on me, dude.
Yeah, me too.
They're fake. It's like light.
Yeah. Saw that shrimp running for his life. Look at that. Shrimp jumping everywhere. Another one. Got him. Damn. They keep spitting it out. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Relax. T-routes. T-routes. Oh. Dude, chill out, bro. I'm trying to throw you back. Yeah. Getting all emotional. Ooh. Oh, that was a good hit. We haven't got a keeper yet. But they are here, man. We've already caught over 30, like I said. But we just out here having fun. If we're gonna drive an hour away, at least we got some fish. Oh my God. He broke me off. That, whatever that was, it was probably that alligator gar again.
Yep.
He broke me off. Get him. Don't let him go under the thing. Yep, that's the alligator gar. Get him in. Don't let him take you under. If he gets you between them pylons, it's on camera. Come on, get him in. Get him out of there. You gotta tighten that drag. There you go. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Is it? This dude is like stuck on catching alligator gar. His woman likes alligator gar, so that's all that this dude wants to catch, alligator gar. Like he just said,